A wide aerial shot reveals a massive truck manufacturing plant in Canada at sunrise. Snow-dusted landscapes surround the factory as smoke rises from vents. Heavy trucks arrive, carrying steel coils and aluminum sheets. Cranes unload raw metal materials onto loading docks. Workers scan materials using digital inventory systems. Steel sheets move into a cutting facility. Laser cutters slice metal with extreme precision. Sparks fly as robotic arms shape truck frame components. Cut parts glide along conveyor belts. Large presses mold chassis sections under immense force. Engineers monitor pressure data on control screens. Welders fuse chassis beams into a solid frame. Robotic welding arms work in perfect synchronization. Truck frame cools on a rotating platform. Quality inspectors examine weld strength. Frames move into anti-corrosion treatment chambers. Protective coatings are sprayed evenly. Frames dry under controlled heat tunnels. The completed chassis enters the assembly hall. Axles and suspension systems are installed. Massive tires are rolled into position. Hydraulic lifts mount wheels onto axles. Brake systems are fitted and tested. The drivetrain assembly begins. Heavy-duty transmissions are lowered into place. Drive shafts connect engine and axles. Engines arrive from the powertrain division. Robotic cranes position engines precisely. Engine mounts are secured tightly. Fuel systems and exhaust lines are connected. Electrical wiring harnesses are routed carefully. Digital diagnostics confirm system integrity. The truck moves to the cab production zone. Cab frames are stamped from steel panels. Cab structures are welded together. Doors, roofs, and panels are aligned. Cab interiors are assembled separately. Seats, dashboards, and controls are installed. Advanced infotainment screens power on. Cab exteriors enter the paint facility. Electrostatic paint coats the surface evenly. Multiple paint layers ensure durability. Painted cabs pass through curing ovens. The finished cab meets the rolling chassis. Robotic systems lower the cab onto the frame. Bolts lock the cab securely in place. Windshields and windows are installed. Mirrors and lighting systems are mounted. Cooling systems and radiators are connected. The truck enters fluid filling stations. Oil, coolant, and brake fluids are added. Battery systems are installed and activated. Software calibration begins. Sensors and onboard computers synchronize. Safety systems undergo electronic testing. The truck rolls into inspection lanes. Technicians examine every visible component. Torque tools verify bolt tightness. Alignment machines check wheel geometry. Lights are calibrated for accuracy. The truck enters a weather simulation chamber. Cold, rain, and wind tests begin. Engine performance is tested under load. Brake testing simulates emergency stops. Suspension systems absorb rough terrain simulations. Road test data streams to control rooms. Engineers approve operational standards. Branding decals are applied to the body. Truck receives final exterior detailing. Interior cabins are cleaned thoroughly. Quality approval tags are attached. The truck drives off the assembly line. Outdoor test drivers take control. The truck navigates factory test tracks. Steering and acceleration are evaluated. The truck returns for final clearance. Logistics teams prepare shipping documents. Protective coverings are applied. The truck enters the distribution yard. Rows of finished giant trucks stand ready. Transport carriers arrive for delivery. Trucks are loaded for shipment. Satellite tracking systems activate. The factory fades into the background. The completed Canadian giant truck drives toward its destination.